Alright, you can see the difference. That one looks like it's already been Cerakoted, but it's not, it's just oil. But I think I got everything. There's some shading. Oh, there's a spot. Didn't get there. Back in it goes. Alright, welcome back to Dubious Decisions Garage. Right now we are continuing our work on the 60 Morris. We're going to be working on Cerakoting the log manifold headers. We built the A-frame that we're going to suspend them on to do the Cerakoting and drying. They are sitting out, that A-frame is sitting outside right now. But first we have to sandblast, media blast the headers. And then clean them with alcohol. So we're going to work on that. So here's the Cerakote. It's Cerakote Blue Titanium C189. It's an air cure. Basically, you just coat it and then let it sit for a week without touching it. Here's the media blaster. I'm going to try to get video of doing the blasting. We'll see how that works. But we have the acetone ready to go. Got shop towels ready to go, so I'm gonna go.
It's Friday night, the campus lights are glowing. Text from the crew, they're already roaming. Got my favorite shirt on, I'm feeling alive. With the playlist of bangers, we're ready to throw.
So like a dum-dum, I forgot that you actually want to tape your mating surfaces first, because one, we don't want to media blast it, and two, we definitely don't want to Cerakote it. So started the process, and you actually really see the difference between blasted and not blasted. The point of the blasting is get all the oils and preservatives crap they put on there so it doesn't rust while it's sitting in storage. So I'm going to clean off these surfaces with alcohol first and then tape them back here as well, because those are all the sealing surfaces. So I'm going to work on that, and then we'll get back to blasting. Poof, they're taped. Yeah, I didn't film that. That was tedious, boring. I wouldn't want to watch it, even on high speed. So these weren't too hard. Might have to retape these on both sides. They're iffy, to say the least, especially this one. Cleaned them off with alcohol first, but they're not wanting to hold real well. Less concerned about those mating. These are the mating surfaces that I'm really concerned about. All right, let's get them in there and start over with blasting.
We hit the house party, the vibe's electric, laughing too loud, yeah, it's kinda reckless. Your eyes catch mine, there's a spark in the air. You still my drink like you really don't care. We dance you like nobody's watching, flirting with the chaos, hearts are dropping. With every sip, the world feels right. It's a Bayer college party night. Friends all around, we're living the dream, making memories, nothing's as it seems. The midnight confessions under the starlight. It's a Bayer college party night. Someone's doing shots, I'm just trying to keep pace. Tripped over my feet, oh what a disgrace. You laugh it off, pull me close for a spin. Sipping on secrets, let the fun begin. The beat is spinning and we're lost in the sound. You and me laughing like the only ones found. Friends all around, we're raising a glass to the nights we won't remember, but we'll never let pass. Pretend to like nobody's watching, flirting with the chaos, hearts are dropping. Every sip, the world feels right. It's a Bayer college party night. Friends all around, we're living the dream, making memories, nothing's as it seems. Midnight confessions under the starlight. It's a Bayer college party night.
All right, now they're both done. If you don't have a blast cabinet and you can afford to get one, I would definitely buy a blast cabinet. Can't imagine doing this without it. A bigger blast cabinet would be nice, but that one was free, so I'll take it. Also wanted to make sure I mentioned and I'll throw some pictures up. You want to make sure that the media is clean. Like, I swapped out, put brand new stuff in here, and I'll throw some pictures up if I haven't already. I don't know if I said that already, of what it looked like before and what it looked like before I got started. And the reason why is because your media gets, whatever you're removing, rust, oil, whatever, that media gets impregnated with all that, and you want it to be as clean as possible before we Cerakote. So it would be silly to use old media to prep these for Cerakoting. So we'll go ahead and start wiping. I'm gonna blow them off with air, and then I'm gonna start wiping them down with alcohol, and then we'll start the Cerakoting process. All right, one thing I noticed when I was blasting these, there's a bit of, remember these are, I said before, these are reproduction. They're not exactly high quality, but quality enough for me. Some casting, an extra like little flange here. So I'm gonna actually get the grinder out and grind that off. I'm not gonna clean up all the edges and whatnot. I don't care about the sharper edges, but I do want to get that removed. Wear your PPE. Much cleaner, much better. Bet you're thinking to yourself, wow, that paper towel really is shredding. And you are absolutely right. But despite the blasting, I am still getting off some crud, so it's worth it. And I do have a plan with a little paper towel. Dingle boppers. We're going to re-blow with air. Oh. And then we're going to use fire. See the crud I'm still getting off? Grabbing a second glove because there's no point in going all this effort just to have my little fingies leave oil on them. All right, well, I retaped some of the flange areas I was worried about. I'm not too concerned about here, except for the ring part, and it's still good. The mounting surfaces themselves are still taped mostly. Now to open the door and figure out how to use a paint gun, because I've never used one before. Should be fun. So we are going to be using a Dynastis touch-up spray gun. Got this off of a certain website named after a river. Never used one of these things before, so we'll give it a shot. But we have our filters, and then we have our Cerakote. So got to shake this. They recommend 5 to 10 minutes shaking, and when you think you're done shaking, shake it some more. So I'm going to start shaking this thing. But while I'm doing that, I'm going to do a little magic trick. Poof, doors open. See? Magic. And I summoned a chicken, apparently. All right, air is set to 30 psi. I'm going to go ahead and shake this stuff. And yeah, you probably don't want to see me do this for 10 minutes. So I won't show it to you. Alright, this thing has been shook up. And now we're ready to filter it. Looks like I spilled a little bit. I think that's what I want.
Fumbling outside, the moon shining bright. You whisper a joke and I'm lost in your light. We're two wild hearts with no end in sight, trading our stories till the morning light. We're dancing like nobody's watching, flirting with the chaos, hearts are dropping. With every sip the world feels right. It's a banger college party night. It's a banger college party night.
All right, I think I got everything, at least twice. I'm gonna phone a friend or a family member to come help me carry this inside, and then it's gonna sit for a week. Let it air cure. I'm gonna make sure I clean that gun as well. I guess that would be number 2. I'll let you guys know what the finished product looks like, and then I can get these installed on the car finally, and then I can start building my exhaust. Woo! The fun never ends. And this is what we ended up with. Recommended is 5 days. I went ahead and let them sit for about 8, just because it's colder temperature out here. Normally you want to paint in warmer temperatures, but it's the winter, it's what I got. So we're gonna go ahead and get these installed, but you won't see that in this video. There will be an upcoming video of getting these installed, along with putting together some exhaust. I still have to figure out how I'm gonna do it. We will also get these fenders installed, and you'll get to see me rebuild these, or go through them at least to see if they need to be rebuilt, and get those horns installed on the Morris. The limiting straps are on, but you'll see all that in a future video. But because that is done, that's what's going to allow us to get those fenders on. So anyway, thank you for joining us. Please like, comment, subscribe, super important. So if you're interested, please do. It really help out the channel. All right, see you in a future video.
Here's to the nights we won't forget, laughing and loving with no regrets. We'll look back and smile, oh what a sight. It's a banger. It's a banger college party night. It's a banger college party night.